guys, how are you doing? I hope everyone doing well. I am right now here in Marina, but today I am going to visit the JBR Beach. I will show you how is the beach. Right now is the weather is so hot. Everybody like to go to the beach. I will show you. Let's see. This is Dubai Marina. Right now you can see, guys, there is no more people. Because of this situation right now is not good. You can see right now I have seen one thing here in Dubai Marina. This is one of the best touristic place you can call. Here mostly tourists are visit, but right now I have seen Dubai. Here is no much tourist. That's why all those places are empty. You can see all those are restaurant. No people. How they will continue? What you think about that, guys? You can see also that side. No people. How they will continue their own business? You can see, guys, there is no much people. It's a very difficult situation for us. It's not good for us. It's very bad. Also weather is so hot right now. You can see, guys, I'm almost near by the beach. Weather is so hot, really super hot. I don't know why, because this is summer, that's why it's hot. But I don't like to go out when it's hot outside. It's very hot, I don't like to go out when it's hot outside. You can see the inside the lift is very nice. You can see no one is here in the lift. I'm alone. I'm down right now. You can see that will up and up. I'm here near by the beach. You can see around the beach. Really, it's very nice place. If you wanna spend your quality time, you wanna enjoy, you can come here. You can see. Now I am at the beautiful JBR Beach in Dubai. This place, one of the most famous beach destination in the city. You can see, guys, this is the kids playing area. This is same like park, water park. Kids can play here. You can see the wave, very nice. Right now you can see the emerging beach view and the beautiful blue water. The weather is perfect to visit, and many people came here to relax, work, and they are swimming and they are enjoying with family and friends. I am really enjoying my time here, and I hope you are enjoying this vlog too. You can see the very nice wave. It's very dangerous. I can't say it's very dangerous, but it's so heavy. I'm ready to go inside the water. Let's go with me, guys. If you want to go, come Dubai. We will go together. You can see very nice. Very hot, but there's not much people because of the nobody wants to come. I'm going to show you one thing. It's very nice, If you want to came here, you can book resort. You can book, you can stay here so long time. You can spend your whole day, But you need to pay some amount for this. It's not free of cost, This is Dubai. You will not get anything free of cost here in Dubai. Whatever you want, special things, you need to pay for this some amount. It's not, yeah, it's expensive. It's not cheap. But if you want to book, you can book in online, or also you can go in the reception. Also you can. That's it. Really, if you want to come, you can come this place. Very nice place to visit here. Super fun, You can enjoy your day if you will come. Really, one of the best beach in Dubai. What happened to me, I want to share my experience. I came here and security replied to me, you can't make video here because this is the private beach. You can't make video. What is this? This is not okay. Everybody can make video anywhere. Nobody can stop. I can't do anything bad with them. That's why. If you will come here into the beach, you will get to adventure lot of things. This is the car. Also jet ski. You can do everything. Lot of adventure you can do here. Lot of people they are doing who have money. Who came here to spending money. They are enjoying their life. That's why Dubai is luxury. If you have money, come to Dubai and enjoy yourself. How you enjoy your life, you can. Really, it's very nice place. Really, I like to stay here. I like to come to visit different kind of place. I wanna take experience in my life. My camera, you can see, guys, I'm enjoying so much enjoy here. It's very good. Very nice. Lot of fall down in the water, but I can't buy a new phone. I don't want to waste my money on the road. You can see the wave is coming so hardly. You can see the water is very nice, guys. Shit, it's very, very nice. I'm here inside the water. You can see the waves coming from. You can see the wave from here. Really, this is the place. It's very, very nice. Ooh, I don't wanna go. I wanna go up. That's it. I'm going up right now, really. So, where is it coming? Oh my God. I'm right now going back to the home. You can see I already on the way. Let's see how long. You can see the view of Marina. Right now I am here in Marina view. You can see the view of Marina. If you wanna ride this kind of things, you can rental 1 hour, 2 hour, 5 hour, 1 day, 2 days, 5 days. If you want, you can, bro. When I came here morning time, I came by car, but right now I need to go metro and bus. Also, I need to use bus because it's so far from my home to this place. Right now I need to take metro from this place. You can see back side is metro station. You can see right now I am here inside the metro station. Guys, if you want to come here in JBR Beach, just step out from DMCC metro station, okay? Don't step out from Sober Realty. If you will step out from Sober Realty, it will be very far from you. If you will step out in DMCC, it will be very nearby you. That's why I want to prefer you guys. You can go from here. This is the metro station. It's very nice. I already step out from the metro station. I'm right now here in Mall of Emirates bus stop. I need to take bus from here. Then I will go to JBC. You can see the bus. Just I step out from the bus. You can see I am here in our community. I will reach few minutes after in my home. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys. If you enjoy this video, you can share and like this video, and don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Please support me, guys.